Sekarang kita masuk ke lesson 6, dialects including agreement and disagreement. Nah, di dalam TOEFL listening akan ada nanti speaker untuk setuju atau tidak setuju terhadap salah satu speakernya. Kalau misalnya dia menyatakan agreement atau kesetujuan, maka dia akan bilang, so do I, me too. Terus ada neither do I don't either. Nah, keduanya, neither do I sama I don't either, ini menyatakan kesetujuan terhadap suatu kalimat yang negatif. Contohnya nih, I don't really like my schedule this term. Kata si cewek misalnya, terus yang cowok bilang, neither do I. Iya, aku juga nggak suka kok. Enggak sama enggak, di sini negatif sama negatif, berarti dia setuju ya. Contohnya, I don't really like my new clothes misalnya. I don't either. Aku juga kok nggak suka. Contoh selanjutnya ada wouldn't. Siapa yang enggak? Nah, ini setuju juga ya. Isn't she though? Isn't he though? Isn't it though? Nah, isn't bisa diganti sama didn't juga ya. Pokoknya ada though, biasanya itu adalah setuju. I'll second that. I'll say, you can say that again. Nah, bukan diminta ngulangin ya. Bukan, coba kamu ngomong lagi dong. Bukan gitu, tapi aku setuju. Is it ever? Has it ever? Was it ever? You bet. I couldn't agree with you more. Aku nggak bisa nih lebih setuju dibanding ini. Berarti dia udah setuju banget. I feel the same way you do about it. Aku merasakan hal yang sama kok. Intinya sama ya, artinya setuju. Nah, kalau nggak setuju, ada yang dibilang, I don't think so. Aku nggak berpikir begitu. That's not what I think. That's not the way I see it. Not really. I can't say I agree. I couldn't agree with you less. Nah, I couldn't agree with you less. Kalau akhirannya less, berarti dia disagree. Kalau ada akhirannya more, berarti agree. I couldn't agree with you more. I couldn't agree with you less. I'm afraid I don't agree. Probably not. Not necessarily. I'm afraid not. I'm not so sure. Boleh dibacakan Febrian yang M1, terus Maya yang F1.
Howard Cartenley is a talented journalist.
Okay, good.
Isn't he dove?
Isn't he though? Terus
Isn't he
pertanyaannya,
though?
what does the woman mean? Maksudnya si perempuan adalah dia setuju bahwa Howard itu berbakat. Boleh dibacakan sama Rido yang M1, F1-nya safety.
I took
I thought-nya yang safety, Rido yang M1.
I thought Charlie's photographs were the best at the exhibit.
Exhibit? Okay.
I didn't really see it that way.
What does the man mean? I didn't really see it that way. Artinya tidak setuju ya tadi. Berarti he thought other photos were better than Cheryl's. Foto-foto yang lain itu lebih bagus daripada punyanya Cheryl. Sekarang kita coba ya. Recall memori kita. Yang mana nih yang setuju, yang mana tidak setuju. Tunggu audionya sebentar ya.
Exercise 6.1. Number 1.
I don't care if it is raining. I'd rather go fishing than stay home.
I couldn't agree with you more.
Oke, agree with you more, udah pasti. Agree.
Agree.
Nomor 2.
Number 2.
It sure is windy.
Is it ever?
Agree.
Oke, is it ever? Ada ever-nya, berarti agree.
Number 3.
I didn't think Professor Hall's lecture was very informative.
I can't really agree with you on that.
Disagree.
Disagree. Bravo.
Okay, I
Agree.
can't really agree with you on that. Good job.
Number 4.
Anthony is quite a singer.
You bet he is.
You bet he is.
Disagree.
Agree.
Agree atau disagree?
Agree.
Okay, you bet. Agree ya.
Number 5.
I think the service at that new cafe is pretty good.
I wish I could say the same.
Disagree.
Disagree.
Okay. I wish I could say the same. Aku harap aku bisa ngomong yang sama. Berarti dia sedang nggak merasakan hal yang sama ya. Good job.
Number 6.
Mayor Curtis certainly won't run for re-election now.
Don't be so sure about that.
Disagree.
Don't be so sure about that. Itu disagree ya. Don't be so sure about that.
Kim.
Number 7. It's been a long, hard day.
Hasn't it, though?
Agree.
Agree.
Hasn't
Agree.
it though? Agree ya.
Agree.
Tuh.
Number 8.
I think skydiving must be exciting.
You wouldn't catch me jumping out of an airplane. Number 9.
Good thing.
Agree.
Oke, tadi nomor berapa? Nomor 8 ya?
8.
Bentar.
Number 7. It's been a long... Number 8.
I think skydiving must be exciting.
You wouldn't catch me jumping out of an airplane.
Agree.
Nomor 8.
Bravo.
Bravo ya, disagree. Kamu nggak akan nangkap aku deh kalau aku jatuh, maksudnya si cowok itu ya. You wouldn't catch me jumping off the airplane. Kamu nggak catch me, kamu nggak akan ngelihat aku. Kamu nggak akan ngelihat aku lompat, katanya. Berarti dia nggak mau, dia nggak setuju.
Number 9.
Good thing there was a fire extinguisher in the hallway.
I'll second that.
I'll second that.
Disagree.
I'll second that. Agree ya. Setuju.
Number 10.
Oh yeah.
There are some strange paintings in that gallery. Strange? I wouldn't call them strange.
Disagree.
Disagree.
Okay, disagree. Tidak setuju.
Number 11.
I really like that sports car Michael bought.
Who wouldn't?
Who wouldn't?
Agree.
Okay, agree. Siapa yang enggak?
Number 12.
We haven't heard from Harry for quite a while.
No, we certainly haven't.
Agree.
Oke, agree. Ingat ya, negatif sama negatif. Kita belum dengar berita ya dari si titik-titik. Enggak, kita belum kok. Oke, berarti setuju ya dia. Sekarang exercise 6.2.
Exercise 6.2. Number 1.
I'd rather have a final exam than write a research paper.
Me too. Research papers take a lot more time.
What does the man mean?
Oke, ini curhatan mahasiswa ya. Dia lebih suka ujian tertulis dibandingkan dengan buat paper.
Number 2.
This first chapter in the statistics textbook seems pretty simple, but I'm sure the other chapters are more difficult.
I think you're probably right about that.
How does the woman feel about the first chapter?
Charlie.
Alpha.
Kalau yang alpha kenapa? It was difficult, but she understood. Kalau yang Charlie gimana?
Jadi bab yang lagi dipelajarin hari sekarang lebih mudah dari bab-bab berikutnya.
Oke, berarti bab berikutnya kemungkinan akan lebih sulit ya.
Susah.
Yang Charlie. Oke.
Number 3.
The university should make it easier for students to register for classes.
I couldn't agree with you more.
How does the man feel about the woman's idea?
Bravo.
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 Charlie.
Charlie. Oke, saya artikan. Universitas seharusnya mempermudah mahasiswa saat register, saat pendaftaran. Terus si cowok bilang apa tadi?
I could agree more.
Ya, ada kata more gitu ujungnya.
I couldn't agree with you more.
More, yeah.
Berarti dia berpikir bahwa idenya si perempuan itu bagus. Soalnya kan dia setuju.
Bagus.
Number 4.
Jack's story was certainly well written.
Wasn't it, though? And so full of interesting details.
What was the woman's opinion of Jack's story?
Gimana?
Charlie.
Ceritanya Jack itu bagus ya. Iya, itu tuh tertulis dengan bagus dan banyak detail-detail yang menarik. Berarti
Charlie.
well
Charlie.
written. Kalau yang Alpha, she doesn't think that Jack wrote it. Ini nggak ada ya, dia bilang ragu.
Number 5.
What a perfect day to take a bike ride.
You can say that again.
What does the man mean?
You can say that again.
Bravo.
Alpha.
You can say that again. Agree atau disagree?
Agree.
Oke.
Agree.
Alpha. Alpha ya.
Number 6.
I can't understand why Arthur dropped his chemistry class. He was doing so well in it.
Well, me neither, but he must have had a good reason.
What does the woman mean?
Charlie,
Bravo.
Oke, ada Charlie, ada yang Bravo. Si Arthur tuh drop kelas deh. Terus si cowok, aku nggak tahu nih alasannya apa, kata si cowok ya. Terus si cewek bilang, ya aku juga nggak tahu sih alasannya. Tetapi aku ngerasa dia punya alasan di baliknya. Berarti walaupun si cewek nggak tahu, dia pikir si cowok punya alasan yang masuk akal kayak gitu. Nah, yang paling cocok adalah yang Bravo. Si cewek nggak tahu alasannya kenapa si Arthur drop kelas. Kalau yang Charlie, dia percaya bahwa Arthur itu drop kelasnya itu tanpa alasan. Lebih ke yang Bravo ya.
Number 7.
Tom's plan is so impractical, it will never work.
That's not necessarily so.
What does the woman say about Tom's plan?
Nomor 8. Nomor 7. Halo?
Halo, Miss.
Oke. Aduh. Ada aja.
Nggak apa-apa, Miss.
Sebentar ya, ini share screen-nya. Diaktifin dulu.
Siap.
Oke, tadi kita sampai nomor 7 ya.
Number 7.
Tom's plan is so impractical, it will never work.
That's not necessarily so.
Charlie.
Number 7.
Tom's plan is so impractical, it will never work.
That's not necessarily so.
What does the woman say about Tom's plan?
Si cowok bilang, plannya si Tom itu tuh impractical, nggak bisa dipraktekin. It will never be work. Itu nggak akan bisa berhasil. Terus si cewek bilang, it's not necessarily so. Itu nggak juga kok. Ini
nggak
it's
juga
not
kok.
necessarily so
The
menunjukkan
answer.
ketidaksetujuan. Berarti itu
Alpha.
tidak berhasil ya.
Number 8.
That editorial in this morning's paper made me angry.
I felt the same way when I first read it. But the more I thought about it, the more I agreed with it.
What was the man's initial reaction to the editorial?
Initial reaction-nya gimana?
Awalnya dia marah membaca newspaper itu.
Betul.
Tapi lama-lama dia setuju.
Pertanyaannya
Dia
tentang apa? What is the man initial? Berarti initial reaction yang mana? Initial artinya yang pertama. Sebelumnya.
Angry. Bravo.
Oke, berarti
Bravo.
itu membuat dia marah juga ya. Nah, ingat teman-teman harus paham juga nih sama pertanyaannya apa. Karena tadi dikasih 2 fakta.
Number 9.
The library is sure crowded this evening.
Is it ever? You can tell it's getting near final exam week.
What does the woman say about the library?
Ini apa? Jawabannya?
Bravo.
Oke, jawabannya bravo ya. Library-nya rame banget nih. Terus speaker kedua ngomong, is it ever? Iya, aku setuju. Udah kelihatan banget ya, sekarang udah mendekati final exam, kata si cewek tadi. Berarti it's crowded because students will be taking exam soon.
Number 10.
Madeline designed the costumes for the play. They're wonderful, don't you think?
Absolutely. Who wouldn't?
What does the man mean?
Alpha.
Alpha.
Oke, absolutely wouldn't. Siapa yang enggak? Alpha.
Number 11.
That was an exciting movie, and what a happy ending.
Happy? You call that happy?
How does the man feel about the ending of the movie?
Charlie.
Family.
Oke, si cewek bilang, bagus ya filmnya, happy ending lagi. Terus si cowok bilang ya dengan ngegasnya, hah bahagia? Kamu bilang ini bahagia? Berarti itu menurut si cowok bukan happy ending.
Number 12.
Pamela thinks these new regulations are unfair, but I don't.
Oh, neither do I.
What does the woman mean?
Gimana?
Bravo, Min.
Bravo.
Oke. Betul ya. Kan tadi dibilang, Pamela berpikir bahwa kebijakan ini unfair, tidak adil. Terus si cowok bilang lagi, tapi aku nggak berpikir demikian. Nah, si cewek bilang, iya aku juga enggak kok. Nah, enggaknya si cewek mengarah pada setuju terhadap si cowok. Berarti pendapatnya mereka sama, yaitu regulation-nya adil. Oke, good job. Gimana hari ini? Ada yang susah?
Nggak terlalu ya. Lumayan.
Lumayan
Lebih
lah.
penting daripada idiom ya.
Iya, benar.
Nah, pesan saya untuk exercise manapun, jangan lupa didengarkan dulu pertanyaannya. Soalnya kayak tadi, si cowok ngasih fakta kalau dia awalnya marah. Terus yang kedua, dia ngerasa mengerti dan paham kenapa editorialnya nulis begitu. Jadi teman-teman harus tahu. Terus sama pembiasaan bentuk pertanyaan. Kalau misalnya kerjaan latihan, nanti makin tahu. Terus yang ketiga dan yang terakhir, coba perhatiin deh nada bicaranya. Amit-amit kalau teman-teman nggak paham apa yang diucapin, biasanya tuh ekspresi dari suaranya si speaker tuh, intonasi dari suara speaker tuh bisa membantu. Kayak tadi kan, hah kamu bilang itu happy? Kayak gitu. Dia nggak setuju. Dia kayak marah-marah kayak gitu. Oke, hari ini ada pertanyaan?
Clear, Miss.
Clear. Oke. Terima kasih teman-teman yang sudah bergabung. Maaf ya, tadi ada human error.
Ya, Miss, gak apa-apa.
Oke,
Pak Miss.
sampai ketemu besok.